So we're here today celebrating our 50th anniversary. We had this beautiful mural here painted to celebrate. We were looking for a way really to involve the community in our celebration. And we did that in a big way. In fact, this was painted by more than 200 people in the community who came out on a weekend in March. And it was so heartwarming. They all had stories to share of Mr. Ed's over the past 50 years. It was fantastic. This is our 50th anniversary. We were founded in 1975 as Mr. Ed's, the territory's most unusual general store, and we've evolved into Mr. Ed's Elephant Museum and Candy Emporium, where today we have almost 1,500 kinds of candy, over 12,000 elephants on display, some beautiful gardens, and we've really become a must-see destination for anybody who's visiting the Gettysburg area or who lives here.